How to save TikTok draft video to gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Then go to the draft you want to save to gallery. Then click on the arrow on the right side. After you click on the arrow, click on Save Post with Watermark. After you click on Save Post with Watermark, the video will be saved in your gallery with the watermark. But if you don't want the watermark, what you can do is click on Next. After you click on Next at the bottom, simply click on Everyone can view this post. At the bottom, select Only You, and then go to More Options. Scroll down, click on Save to Device, make sure it's turned on. And after you've done that, press on Post. After it is posted, it will be saved to your gallery without the watermark. And this is how to save TikTok draft video to gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.